Have you ever eaten a whole lemon before? Drinking lemon juice or lemon water has lots of benefits, but if you eat the whole lemon, the amount of vitamin C and nutrients goes up by 5 times as much. If you eat the whole lemon, you're going to get a lot of extra benefits. And I'm going to share with you a few of them here. So here's our lemon. You can eat the skin, you can eat the pith, you can eat the pulp, you can eat the seeds, they're not poisonous, and of course drink the juice. So let's go over some of the really great benefits of the whole lemon. It's extremely good for your skin. Lemons have a low pH, which makes them very acidic. But when you eat them and they're metabolized in your body, it actually becomes alkaline with a pH over 7. And this makes sense because when you take a lot of lemons and they get fully digested in your body, it actually helps have an alkalizing effect on your body, and you'll see many health benefits from that. One being your skin. And when your pH is in balance, it helps to reduce any inflammation you see on your skin, and that would reduce the oil production. So less oil production would also give you less acne and problems coming on your skin. It also has lots of real citric acid, not the kind that you buy in the little bottle, but real citric acid. And this helps with the breakdown of the dead skin cells on your skin and gets rid of all those free radicals that breaks down your collagen production. So in return, your collagen production should be boosted and you'll have more healthy, beautiful skin. One of the special properties of a lemon is it helps with permeability of your cells. And this is important because this helps to move all your nutrients and blood around efficiently. And you can tell if you don't have this working right. You'll get more spider veins or bloody noses, or maybe you'll get bleeding gums. If you see those kind of problems, you might need to start taking some lemons. It's really good if you are having any kind of bloating or swelling. You should start drinking some lemon water. The lemon peel has 5 to 10 times more vitamins than just the juice itself. So you're getting more vitamin C, vitamin A, beta carotene, folate, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and all the extra special properties like I mentioned, permeability, comes with lemons. The lemon peel is also really good for preventing cancer, including cancers like breast cancer, colon cancer, and skin cancer. And if you don't like taking the whole lemon, you could try just taking a cup of hot tea and putting some lemon peel in there. And this should be enough to help with preventing cancer cells from growing and developing. The peel has lots of flavonoids, which also help with getting rid of the cancer cells and helping them not to grow. The peel is also really good at rejuvenating your cells and getting rid of the toxic elements in your body. So lots of great cancer fighters in the skin. The lemon peel also has a lot of calcium as well as the vitamin C. So when you have the lemon peel, this helps also with your osteoporosis or arthritis problems and any kind of bone conditions. It improves your bone health. Lemon peels also help with your cholesterol. So it will lower the LDL cholesterol and help with your blood circulation to work more properly and efficiently. Let's talk about just lemon water. Maybe you want to just eating a whole lemon is too much for you. No problem. Let's just do the lemon water. So this is not lemonade, okay? No sugar here. So you're just going to have a glass of water and squeeze in there juice of a half a lemon or a teaspoon of lemon juice. Real lemon juice, not the juice from bottled lemon juice you can buy. It's usually pasteurized and cooked, and all the good vitamin C and stuff is gone. So if you're squeezing fresh lemon juice into your water, you're going to get these benefits. So it'll help to dissolve the fat on your liver really quickly. You're dieting and exercising and you want to just boost it along. If you're adding lemon water and just doing that along with your exercise and diet, The fat on your liver should really dissolve much faster with the lemon water. It helps to lower your cholesterol, so it will help to remove any excess cholesterol in your body just by taking the lemon water. Again, you should have a lot of anti-aging effects. There have been several studies showing that just drinking it will help to increase your lifespan. And it also helps to increase the friendly bacteria in your system. And the friendly bacteria would also make your immunity system improve. The lemon itself has lots of antifungal and antiviral properties to it, so this will also help to boost your immune system. If you're having any kind of kidney stone problem or you're prone to kidney stones, drinking lemon water is a good way to prevent them from forming. The whole lemon has lots of fiber and properties in it that will help clean out your whole digestive tract and keep your colon clean and healthy. Some ways that you can take it are, if you want to just do the lemon water, 1 glass of water with a spoon of lemon juice, and drink that every day. Or if you're brave enough to have the whole lemon, there's lots of ways you can do that. So you can get a whole organic lemon and blend that up with some water, about a cup of water, and a little bit of honey, and you can drink that. If it's too bitter for you, because a lemon peel is a bit bitter, you could also try having pickled lemons, or even they do fermented lemons. I would not recommend candied lemons or anything like that, because sugar actually destroys all these benefits. So you don't want to add sugar if you can help it. If you want to add, just use honey. Please give this video a like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments down below if you've ever eaten a whole lemon before.